Welcome to the friendliest place in Brighton, UK. Based at the perfect location, just a short drive from the University of Sussex and University of Brighton, Holden Court provides a contemporary student living experience. With all the amazing amenities, Holden Court bets to give the perfect home away from home experience. Every studio within this accommodation is designed keeping your needs in mind. Relax in your plush double bed and indulge in the privacy of your own private ensuite. A wardrobe, under-bed storage, and a bedside table. There is a good amount of storage options in the room too, for all your extra luggage. When it comes to the ideal space to concentrate, nothing can beat your desk, and with super fast Wi-Fi, you'll be able to meet all of your deadlines with ease. Enjoy a relaxed time with your friends at Holden Court's exclusive games room or soak up the sun in the beautifully landscaped courtyard. With the city center just down the lane, you'll find some of the most happening places and the finest restaurants, coffee shops, and pubs near Holden Court. Be it mouth-watering dishes or a raging nightlife, you'll get to experience it all. Does this sound like your perfect accommodation? Head over to amberstudent.com and get your room booked today.